So, ito. Ito yung first course natin. This is our first course, appetizer. Tara, kain muna tayo.
You want to try?
Let's try.
Cheese.
There.
Shakshuka. Cheese and egg.
First course, mushroom. Top.
Yan yung hinahanap ko pala mushroom.
Hey, Mark.
Kailangan kita nito. Pero eggs benedict muna yung pinatay ko. Tikman muna natin. Gusto mo order tayo ng additional? Sarap. Pero kukuha ko ng mushroom.
Ba talaga? Ba talaga lasa ng ano? Pag, alam mo na. Sambusa. Sambusa vegetable.
You know what will happen if you eat a watermelon seed?
It will grow to your stomach.
And then after, you go on your poop. Like an island.
Up.
Kaya po na.
You can go ahead.
Sarap. Sarap.
Sir, good morning po.
Basta po.
Try.
Coffee sa dalawa. Tapos no, tatlo na coffee.
Black coffee po.
Black po. At saka, ewan ko lang sa kanila eh. May creamer ka?
Meron po kami po.
May creamer ka naman, di ba?
Meron po kami cappuccino latte flat white.
Balikan mo na lang sila. Andyan na sila.
Sige, pabalikan na.
Sige po, salamat. Siniserve yung coffee.
Meron dito kami iced coffee.
They're serving the coffee in the table.
Anong kape nito?
Ayan.
Cappuccino, flat white, latte. Cappuccino, ako po. Gusto ko matamis. Kasi may syrup po kami. Vanilla, hazelnut. Yung sakto lang.
Can I try one?
Ikaw sa'yo, Mars. Ano ba? Meron po kami cappuccino, latte, flat white, espresso.
Oh?
Can I try one?
Okay, fine. Try. Yeah.
Sarap.
I will get me one.
Mamaya na ako pagka...
Ay, meron po kami yung in-order ko mo. Cappuccino
Ito?
with liquid caramel.
Sutter cheese. Love.
Same po. Thank you.
Pang tinapay talaga.
You have some pancakes too. Oh, you're just eating French fries. We have another French fries at home. Try this chocolate.
You know, Mommy, yesterday, last night, you
Nope.
know, we were in our room, right? Me, Baby Sarah, and C. You know what they're doing? It's pancake. I do not know what they're doing, but they're doing pancake.
Yung kinakain natin sa kalsada.
Yung pizza, Mars, nakuha ko yan doon sa may dulo. Meron pala doon.
How about the pizza? Try the pizza too. Look, it's so small.
Inunaw silang tatlo.
Busog na ako sa ano ah.
Tapos umorder ako doon ng... I ordered smoothie for the three of you.
Oh,
Yes, but they have pizza too.
yan, clear yan.
Inorderan ko si Ace ng
Ano naman tayo?
Silang
Sa-
dalawa strawberry.
Main course.
Smoothie doon. I-deliver.